Activate the Terra Control 2 to engage the automatic tilting functionalities of the header. Push the button on the Zone D of your armrest, the one with the combine icon on the right, in front of the dashboard screen. The Terra Control 2 is active when the red light on top of it is visible. Now your header will follow the contours of the ground, using the drag rods as main sensors. To customize the header sensitivity, click on the combine icon on the top right corner and click on the header settings page. From here, click on the sensitivity icon. Now you can set the response of the header movements of the automatic function or of the manual commands. Starting from the top, you can adjust the response ratio of the automatic header height control and the tilting. Click on the horizontal gauge and choose your preferred level. Our suggestion is to start always from the 50% of the value. Then you can freely customize the responsiveness of manual header control. Each directional button on the joystick has two different click levels of response. For example, if you lightly click the header lifting button, the response will be slower. And if you click it harder instead, the response will be faster. To change the fast or the slow response, click respectively on the box with the rabbit icon or on the one with the turtle. Eventually, you can also adjust the tilting sensitivity. Set the parameters you prefer and tailor your header behavior according to your needs.